Lyft has a challenge simply as the smaller player in an emerging market, but everyone in that market, I think, faces a very serious uphill climb because it has been a lot harder to produce profit margins in the ride-sharing world than I think investors initially hoped. And given the amount of investor money that they have all been forced to spend, especially Uber, I do think there are real reason to be concerned as an investor about the outlook. I think Uber was really smart to bail out in China. I mean, they did manage to get some value out of an experiment that was otherwise a train wreck. And I do really applaud them for doing that. But until these guys can show much higher levels of profitability in their core businesses, I think you have to look at the outlook with skepticism for both of them. I think realistically what Uber said, I mean, who cares what they think about the valuation of Lyft? At the end of the day, Lyft is building a different strategy. They have a relationship with General Motors. Who knows if they need to sell out or not? What I think they do need to do is produce profit. And if they do that, then they're going to be fine.
Well, it's clear that Travis Kalanick is approaching this with sharp elbows, as he always has, Roger. But the comment about not pursuing an acquisition because of a potential antitrust investigation, do you think these two companies getting together would merit that? Because normally antitrust officials haven't deemed two money-losing businesses a threat to anybody.
Precisely. And I look at this and I go, you know, I think in his dreams they would come together because maybe that would take some of the pressure off of margins. But at the end of the day, the strategy on which both have embarked, which is grabbing as much territory as possible and spending investor money to do that, is not a long-term strategy. And so they do need to find a way to relax the level of competitive pressure, to raise prices, to do a much better job for their drivers than they've done historically. And if they can stop competing head-to-head, that would be a big positive. I'm not sure that investors are going to go for that move, particularly not the investors of Uber at this point, but we'll see. And from a consumer point of view, I really don't see what the harm would be in putting the two of them together, but it doesn't seem super likely at this moment.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the I right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.